Hi, boredom breakers! This is part 2 of my wonderful trip to the town of LaSalle in Canada. In this video, I'll be sharing the incredible drone show that I saw that day, in addition to some wonderful live music, and I'll be roaming around the town itself. Hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I would also love to hear your suggestions for places to go and experiences to have in Canada in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I'll still got some time before 10 p.m. for the drone show. So I'm just gonna explore the town since this is my first time here. Okay, so I've been walking for a while now. I don't think there isn't much in this town. Pretty much everything I googled is closed today. It's around 8:30 p.m. now, so I'm guessing everything closes early here, which makes sense. I mean, it seems like a small town, but anyways, I am here for the drone show. It's kind of the main event. This sign says beach, but I don't think it's a street name, because the other ones have, you know, either the word drive or road next to it. This just says beach. I think it is a beach, but I don't see one. It'd be a great surprise if I actually end up finding a beach here, so that I'm kind of looking forward to that. I hope I'm not mistaken. I don't think I'll be disappointed after all. Looks like there is a beach over there, or it's very close to the waterfront anyway, so I'm gonna go closer and see. Okay, so when I got to that edge, I wasn't sure really whether I can go forward or not. You know, I didn't want to get into somebody's property or something, so yeah, unfortunately I'm headed back. Okay, so this is along the side of the event center. I'm not sure. I think I'm in the same vicinity. Maybe it's parking lot or something, but it looks beautiful. Okay, so this is definitely my favorite area of LaSalle so far. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Water everywhere, flowers. One of the great things about Canadian parks is there's always, you know, some sort of information about the history of the area. It's just really awesome. Now that the sun is going down, the place is packed. It looks nothing like it was earlier. Oh my god, there are so many people over here. Wow.
I remember laying in bed and listening to the adults talking about our life, with the sound of old guitars and mandolins, and the means to know right now. The heart said, I feel it, and we don't even know what it means to know right now.
Okay, it's finally time for the drone show. Okay, here we go. It's starting. Wow. Sure what to expect with the drone show, but it was absolutely spectacular. I'll be posting several videos for that because it was incredible. It's so Canadian. It's just gorgeous. What an incredible day. I spent the entire day here at LaSalle. Incredible. I hope you enjoyed the drone show as much as I did. It was a great day. The food, the scenery, the band, the live music, and of course that incredible drone show. Thank you so much, LaSalle. This was a great day. I'll see you guys on my next video, and remember, life is short, don't waste it.